Welcome back to the Lucky Beach Slots. Today we are going to Best Friend by Roy Choi, and I'll be showing you a room tour of our room at Sahara.
You feel low and good.
So we are at Best Friend, Roy Choi's restaurant, and we are waiting for our reservation. And there's a Best Friend slot machine. Look at that. He's got his own slot. Right outside of Best Friend here at Park MGM. I think we're gonna play. So it's a $1 denom and $3 max bet. 7 spins. Alright. Let's see. Alright, first spin. Aw, nothing. Hey, $10, right? Nothing. Bar, nope. Aw. Nothing. Last spin. Something. No. Alright, cashing out. Best Friend. Yeah.
Orange creamsicle would be good.
Yeah.
Because it will taste like a creamsicle.
So Vicky's grabbing us 4 shots. There she is. Waiting for our table to be ready. Put my thing down. Ready? Alright, to the map pack. Woo! Cheers! Oh, my silly. To enter the restaurant, you walk through here. These are those little plastic hangy thingies that you find in the walk-in fridge at a restaurant. If you've worked in a restaurant, you know what I'm talking about. The ambiance here is really nice. It's very dark, and there's music playing, so you kind of focus on what's in front of you and who's around you. I really like this atmosphere here. Here too, so watermelon. And then Vicky's got her drink. And hers comes in a collector's cup too. This was $50. I think she paid like $25 for hers. I think it was. Which was the 16-ounce cup. These are the short rib tacos. Oh my gosh. Look at this.
I should take a picture for Jana.
So I've already bit into the taco, but it is really good. So, 2 tortillas.
That's where you can take a picture.
This is the, thank you, Vicky. Vicky got some vegetarian noodles. And then this is the kimchi fried rice. With the egg. Look at that. Oh my gosh.
Look at that. Yeah,
I'm so excited for that.
That look nice. Yeah, that should look good. Oh,
Right. These are chicken wings.
Needless to say, we all enjoyed our food, and Best Friend is a restaurant we will be going back to for sure. Instead of a regular room tour, I decided to do a after we've already slept there tour of our room. So when you first walk in, This is what you see. Carpet. Yeah. Look at that. I mean, it's cute. It's pretty spacious. I love this here. We have that silver wood again with the bed. But look at that little archway and all of the tapestries. It's the same thing here. And right above the bed, we've already slept here. We're checking out. I wanted to do an after we stayed here review, only because I saw that this bed, I always like check the beds and stuff, but this is a sleep lying still made exclusively for SLS hotels. Beauty Rest Recharge by Simmons Hospitality. Now this is kind of funny. Look, you can peek into the shower. Our ice chest was leaking, so it's there. But you can peek into the shower. And then as far as the view, we can see the pool. And we can see them building the other pool. And then we can see Resorts World over there. Alright guys, that is the room. I give it a 10 out of 10. You guys know I love Sahara. The only creepy thing was this chick back here. She's like staring into your soul. She's looking at you, but she's not quite looking at you. Totally forgot to show. There's the bathroom. Here's the shower. There you go. It's a little messy. So we've already slept here. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you've enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and let me know how you liked it by leaving a comment below. Have a wonderful day. Bye.